Knee cracking sound, normal or not? Air bubbles in the joint, totally harmless. This is called cavitation, like cracking knuckles. Crack with pain or swelling could signal trouble. May indicate cartilage wear, arthritis, or meniscus tear. Cracking during workouts, check your form or warm-up. Poor mechanics equals joint stress. Feeling unstable with the sound, possible ligament or tendon issue, needs attention. Still worried? Get a clinical assessment. Better safe than sorry. Share this with your gym buddy or runner friend. Follow for more bone and joint tips.